So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Tele Business Services share, which is also called TTML. So we know that today it has closed near the 54 rupees region. So previously, when you have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed near the 40 rupees region and have also given targets for short term. So first target was 50 followed by 55. So today the stock considerably it has achieved those particular levels, and also we have done the complete fundamental analysis earlier as well. So today in the stock, in the last 15 to 20 minutes we have seen little bit of sell off, especially in the BSE segment. However, in the NSE it has maintained the upper circuit, but in BSE segment it has opened for a while, it has come down, and again the buying momentum was generated. So in the last session today, all the stocks were little volatile, especially Tata Motors due to various negative updates. It was having a very good swing. So on that particular note, so many stocks upper circuits were affected. So we'll now try to see what would be the next possible levels for Tata Teleservices, and the same way we'll also see what are the support regions followed by resistances that we need to focus for the coming sessions. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and to not miss any instant updates, make sure you have joined the Telegram group. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical chart. So basically we'll do only the technical analysis because updates wise we know we have discussed earlier as well. So nothing major updates to discuss. So already it was in good swing. So once we see the technical charts, you can see that today, especially in the BSE category, you can see it has opened in the last 15 to 20 minutes. And you can see it has even come down to 50 rupees region, and again it has closed in the upper circuit region. So earlier when we have done the analysis near this particular region, so we know that time stock was open not in NSE section but in BSE category. It opens on a regular basis, and again near 45 region also it has opened once. So you are getting the chance because people who are not able to buy the stock in NSE BE category, so they can also try to execute in BSE section because chances of execution also increases. And if you see today's closing, it has not completely given the upper circuit. You can see only 4.10% movement was seen in the BSE side. So you can also see the 15 minutes chart when you can see that the stock has also come down near the 50 rupees region, and again okay, whatever the volume spike was generated at the last 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so these are the basic things. So now we'll try to find out what are the important support regions that we need to focus, especially for the swing traders as well as for long term. Okay, so if we see the market depth of TTML, so we know that it already belongs to NSE B category. So there you can see in the market depth, basically whenever any stock is in upper circuit, so we know pending orders would be present on green side. But today we have seen little bit of orders which were on selling side as well. So roughly more than 22,000 shares were placed near the sell region, but stock has not showed any sort of circuit open. So you can see there it was completely in that particular region itself. So only in BSE the circuit was open. So coming to fundamentals wise, we know the stock whenever the updates were running, especially related to smart app, super app, whatever it is. So that time the stock was in complete bullish phase. Yeah. So from 14 rupees region continuously, we also have done the complete analysis there. So after that, the stock has showed some continuous momentum, and on regular basis, it was giving some very good returns. So tomorrow, if any circuit opens, so key levels that we need to observe would be 50 rupees level. So that is going to be very important support region. So after 50 you need to observe the resistance wise 55 as the next immediate resistance. So if the stock travels in these two regions, so these two levels are going to be very important. Okay, so if you see the weekly chart time frame also, we have seen back to back the stock has given very good momentum. So obviously correction, if it happens, it is necessary because many people who have not taken at low level, so they were also very much worried about the movement. But in BSE, it has given the opportunity. So tomorrow, if it opens, you can better to add in small quantities if you are invested. So don't try to put any sort of bulk amounts. That is not at all recommended. So already I told to take this particular stock for swing if you are interested. So long term completely you can risk with small portions only. So swing traders, you can go with decent quantity, but again and again I'm telling long term investors better to hold in small portions. So we can't judge anything. So even if it corrects, you need to be in a position to average. So if you put the entire investment at one go, so whenever it corrects, you can't average. So that is what happens. So already it has given some very good momentum. So on a safe note, you need to add in small portions if you are interested only. So this is one thing. Support region wise, I told you 50 is important region that you need to focus. Resistances wise, 55 rupees is going to be the next resistance. So these two levels, make sure you're watching them very clearly. And money flow index, already we know that it is coming in the overbought region. So already it was traveling in that particular range because of the continuous upper circuits. So these are the things that you need to focus. So in the last 15 minutes today, we have seen little bit of sell-off. So that is what I wanted to discuss, and followed by the technicals. So further, if you're having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Followed by, you can also message me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye-bye.